Welcome back to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. If you've got a boxing gym and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your services, you're definitely in the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Marty Sites platform to build a simple website for your boxing gym. If you haven't heard of Marty Sites before, we pretty much built a platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed at all. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you've joined the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from, currently over 900, by the way. We are adding more markets every single week for various small businesses. So let's go ahead and search for our market, boxing gym. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Great, let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to pop in my city and my state or region, and it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the Marty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, Marty Sites will automatically generate a simple website for your boxing gym with the information you've just put in. And there you have it. It's literally done so in a couple of seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality. As you can see, they're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website. Maybe make one or two amendments to this content that was pre-written, make it a little bit more personalized to your business. You can absolutely do that. It's super simple. You don't need to know coding, be a web professional in any kind of way, and you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get started. Let me show you the ropes. I'm going to click on the first section at the top and pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that is visible for my customers to see and my potential students. So I'm going to go ahead and tick that box. Great, let's pop in our phone number, that is click to call, and your physical location. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address on the top left-hand corner and be taken directly to Google Maps. Under update social links, you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Once you've done that, the icons will actually be displayed at the top over here of your website, as well as at the bottom of your website as well. If you have a business logo, head on over to the next section. If you don't have a logo, we've got a few suggestions for free logos on our YouTube channel and our blog, www.martysites.com. Go give it a look, and it is possible to have a high quality logo without a huge budget. We usually use Canva or hatchful.com. Check out our YouTube channel. Once our logo has been uploaded, you can click on save, and you can make it bigger and smaller on the right here. You can also click on that pencil and make minor amendments to it, like cropping it, rotating it, add filters or frames. Now with Marty Sites as well, we pre-selected the colors for you. If you'd like to change them to go with your branding a little bit better, click on that paint bucket bottom right hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. For each section you want to change, make it a little bit more personalized, click on that update section button. Head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device for your own images of your students or you in action. Otherwise, search through the photo library, hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in all those photos if you have an Instagram profile. And update actions, where we can change those call to action buttons, the text, as well as where they link to, even uploading a PDF file, maybe with your various rates and packages available for boxing sessions. In the last section, we have a lead generation form. Customers can easily reach out to you here, keep track of all your leads in your Marty dashboard. If you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on that yellow connect your domain button at the bottom. If you don't have a domain yet, you actually have the option to purchase a custom domain via the Marty Sites platform as well, to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, and stand out from all your competitors. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your boxing gym. Really wishing you and your business Marty success.